Hi viewers, this is Nagaraju Mudri. Come back with a new challenge this time. Actually, this is not a challenge. Just I want to give you a provoke thought for my students and the student encouragement. So that I am giving this. I was really astonished by my students' mesmerizing ideology. So that I am doing this now. On the occasion of Abraham Lincoln birth anniversary, Feb 12th. So they have done really good for the inspirational things and what the Abraham Lincoln was faced in his life to get the success, and how could I have a great patience for the long time to get the success in his life is the first motto from his life. And the 16th president of UAE is not a single matter, and he was the one vanished the complete slavery from America. So that just I want to give this video for the encouragement of studio for this channel, and I'm really appreciating my students from bottom of my heart because of this ideology. Thank you.
Hi viewers, this is Anushna. On the occasion of Abraham Lincoln birth anniversary, we would look into it that how he faces the challenges and how he becomes such a great personality. And we would also look into it that what we can also learn from him. So let's get started, guys. Firstly, Abraham Lincoln was from a very poor family, and his father used to stitch the shoes, and he's very curious to learn new things, and he used to love to go to school. And he used to help his father in the farm or else stitching shoes like that. And when he was at the age of 21 years, he participated in the elections and he lost, and again he tried, and again he lost, and again he tried, and again he lost, and again he used to keep on trying, and at the 52 years he became the American president. And can you guess how many times he has lost? 8 times he had lost, but he never lost his confidence. That is what the greatness means. A lot of people criticized him that a low class person become a president, but he didn't take them in. And at that crucial moment, the American Civil War was happening, and he think that I should end this civil war, and he struggled, worked hard, and he ended the civil war too. And at his childhood, he also wanted to end this slaveryness. He don't want to see people as high class, low class, and he also worked hard for it, and he also officially ended the slaveryness too. So, do you hear somewhere this one government means by the people, of the people, for the people? Can you guess who said that? Abraham Lincoln was said that. And after his many achievements, he has passed away. So now let us look into it that what we can learn from him. So when he observing his life, he tried for 8 times. As same like that, we should also keep a target and try for it. Try until you get that. Never ever quit that. And next thing is, we should always be a self-learner. And even though he didn't go to the college, he studied law and he became lawyer too. And we should also study books. By studying books, we came to know a lot of things. And next thing is, we should always try something new. And he is the only president who used the telegrams to communicate at that time. So we should also always open your minds and always try to something new things. And lastly, fight for your goal. That is very important. Fighting for your goal is very important. If this person can become a great person, then why can't you can become a great person? You can be just believe in yourself as great, then definitely you will be a great person, and work hard for your goal. That is what I would like to tell you. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, this is Srivalli. So on the occasion of birth anniversary of Abraham Lincoln, I just wanted to deliver a small speech on what did I learn from the life of Abraham Lincoln. I did learn many things from Abraham Lincoln's life. Few of them are to be self-confident and courageous, and to face the situations with more confident, and not to lose and not to give up. Give up is the first step of your failure, is the dead end of the failure. And Abraham Lincoln says that defeat was a detour but not a dead end. That means if we have a failure, we have to choose the other way to become success, but that is not the dead end of your life. And Abraham Lincoln was from a very remarkable family with very poorness and poverty, but he didn't care of his circumstances and he just moved on in his life, and he did have become a 16th president of the US United States. And he had did many great things, and he had played a key role in the abolition of 30 in the amendment of 13th act, that is to abolish the slaveriness and to spread the democracy among the people and to abolish the religion, caste and everything. And he did say that to the people, for the people and the people, like he has did everything for the people. And he is the best example in our life to move on, because he had a nervous breakdown at the age of 25, which was very dreadful and which is unimaginable, but he did that, and he just moved on. And he is the best example. Like Abraham Lincoln's life was rags to riches.
Hi guys, this is Sashka. On the birth anniversary of Abraham Lincoln, I want to say some things which I had learned. And you know Abraham Lincoln. Who is Abraham Lincoln? Yes, you are correct. Abraham Lincoln is the 16th President of United States of America. And I had inspired by his life story. The 5 most important things which I had been inspired by his life story are: the first, be a self-learner. He had just 2 books in his childhood. One is Bible, another is Shakespeare. He had learned deeply and had grabbed the grammar and poetry style from those 2 books. He had been helped his father in the farm fields in his childhood, and he had set up his own home school by himself with the books given by his stepmother and neighbors. He had studied at home, and he had been studied law. But he never gone up to a school, just he had learned law at home. The second point is never stop reading. We will study the books for the entertainment. We will study books to get score. We will study books for the lifetime. Don't stop, don't quit of reading. Never quit reading, just read. Next, the third point is try something new. Try something new. Abraham Lincoln had embraced the technology at that time, and he had been the first president to use telegraph. And the fourth point is don't lose your confidence. Don't lose your confidence. And the fifth point is dare to do something different. Dare to do something different. Abraham Lincoln had written many articles. You know that. Yes, at that time, some newspaper companies had said that Abraham Lincoln had written many grammatical mistakes. He had not known grammar, English grammar properly, but he never discouraged himself. He just had taken up courage and he had just grown up. And some of the famous quotations said by Abraham Lincoln want to be say. I want to say. The first one, just leave nothing for tomorrow. Just do it today. Leave nothing for tomorrow. What can be done today? The second one is, if you want to destroy your enemy, just make them friends. If you want to destroy your enemy, just make them friends. The third one is, truth is your truest friend. What? Truth is your truest friend. And the fourth one is, if you want to predict your future, just create the future. If you want to predict the future, just create the future. The fifth one is, character is like a tree and its reputation is our shadow. Character is like a tree and reputation is our shadow. Yes, thank you.
Hi viewers, this is Akshay Sri. Today our topic is what did I learn from the life of Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was introduced to this world by their parents on this day in the year of 1809. He came from poor family, even though he succeeded in becoming the 16th president of USA. So there are many lessons to learn from his life. Be a self-learner, that we have to build our home as a home school if we are not able to learn from the elders or teachers. That Abraham Lincoln used to do and never stop learning. Abraham Lincoln didn't quit his quest for knowledge even he reached his goals. We also do not stop our learning and try something new. We have to come out from our comfort zones to learn new course and to learn new skills, and everyone can achieve success. This is already proved by the Abraham Lincoln, and Abraham Lincoln says that when I do good, I feel good, and when I do bad, I feel bad. That is my religion. Here he is saying the two religions, that is good and bad. If we see bad, it surely appears bad. If we see good, it surely appears good. So we have to try to see good in all. And one more thing he says that I walk slowly, but I don't walk back. It means we conformly and successfully we reach our goal, definitely, but after a long time or smaller time, but definitely we'll reach our goal. But in between you don't walk back. And thank you and all the best for your future. Thank you.
This is Priyanka, and what I did learn from Abraham Lincoln's life. I learned that we should prepare until we get a chance to do it, and the best way to predict our future is to create it. And we should destroy our enemies by making them as our friends, and we should treat our defeat as a detour but not as a dead end, because failures are the stepping stones for our success. Thank you.
Before I'm going to start the speech, I want to pose you a small question. Tell me, what is the average life expectancy of a normal human being? Yes, it must be from 90 to 100, right? But if I tell that a person has been born in 20th century and have been lived up to the 21st century and will be living for centuries, will you believe me? You must believe me, because there was a one such great personality, and he is Abraham Lincoln, who has been still alive even after his death. Only some will be in such a way, and he is in that some. So Abraham Lincoln has born in a poor family, but he never ever blamed his parents. He grown up in a poverty, but he never ever scolded his fate. But at last he proved that I can do anything and everything, as becoming the 60th president of USA. And you know who is that such a great personality? Yes, he is the Abraham Lincoln. But you know, he became such a great personality with only 1, 2, 3 tries? He didn't fail even for 100 times. He failed for 100 and 1,000 times to become such a great personality. That is the reason that still he was alive even after these many centuries and will be remembered for centuries. So the life lessons we can learn is many from his life. You can see he never ever give up. He tried until he gets success. At last he won. So the thing that always make me to be friend is, the thing he tell is, be there to be different. Thank you.
Everyone, this is Srija. Today our topic is about the lesson that you learned from the life of Abraham Lincoln. As we all know, he is the 16th president of USA, and he was the first president to introduce the 13th Amendment of law. He born to a middle-class family, and he always used to work in his farm along with his father. He is self-motivated and get educated at home by the help of his stepmother and his neighbors. The lesson that I have learned from Abraham Lincoln is to never fear for the failures. We always used to think for the success that we should reach. And I only strongly believe that success is not a destination to reach. It is always a journey that takes us to a peak level. I strongly believe that Abraham Lincoln life will motivate many of the people who bother about their failures. Thank you.
Hi friends, this is Siri. The topic is Abraham Lincoln. The Abraham Lincoln was born on Feb 12th, 1809. He was the 16th president of USA continent because he faced the many of the problems. Also, he was make the successful one thing that we have to inspiration one thing. He ఒక చిన్న ఇంట్లో కనీసం కూర్చొని తిననీకి కూడా ప్లేస్ లేని ఆ ఇంట్లో తన దగ్గర ఉన్న 2 పుస్తకాలతోటి మొత్తం ప్రపంచాన్ని మొత్తాన్ని అర్థం చేసుకున్నాడు. He was the first president who killed by the enemies because they thought the man who was the ruling the continent is a very intelligent and he have the all rights to get the enemies also killed by the some army. But also he did not did that. But the enemies was thought like that and they was killed the Abraham Lincoln. One thing I have to say, he was the 21st year. I think the 21st year he was failed in the business because the persons who are the besides him was then influenced him. So that he was not in the proper in the business. And in the 52 years, 16th president he was became.
This is Vaishnavi. So today's our topic is how do you inspire from Abraham Lincoln's life? So when I hear the name Abraham Lincoln, I just remember democracy. In Myanmar, the people protested against the junta military. For the first time, they protested for democracy. The roots of democracy was built by Abraham Lincoln. So we have to learn patience. Abraham Lincoln is the epitome of patience. Patience is very important in our success. He waited for his chance almost 50 years. He became 16th president of America at the age of 52. So here you can conclude that we need to be patient for our success. And next, we need to be self-confident and self-taught. Abraham Lincoln said he is a self-taught person. He did what he learned by himself. He has no guide, no teacher, no anyone, but he learned by himself. So self-study is also a secret of success in Abraham Lincoln's life. So my dear friends, we need to be very self-confident and we need to face our failures very daring and dashing. So here in Abraham Lincoln's life, the failures are the stepping stone for success. Every failure is a stepping stone to your success, and you should not have to be scared of it. You should fight for it. And again we can know that our poverty doesn't matter in your success. Either you studied or not, your parents' financial state doesn't matter with your success. You should do what you need to do. Then the people remember you. And the main thing we need to learn from Abraham Lincoln is he had created what he wanted, and he was the first person to be killed in USA, first president to be killed. For the people, by the people, to the people. This was said by Abraham Lincoln. Ballot is more stronger than the bullet. This was said by Abraham Lincoln. Thank you.
If you get some valuable information by these videos, then please do like, share and subscribe to my challengers.